Good afternoon. It's 5th of April today. It is a beautiful, nice and sunny day. It feels like we are getting out of winter. As promised, I am introducing you to one of my magic trees. That is an apple tree number 3. Its original variety was getting a lot of spots which were not only spoiling its beauty but also the growth as well. So I had to cut it, and now I have grafted a lot of varieties one by one. Now it has about 16 varieties of apples on it. That is Lord Lambourne. It was grafted over here on this branch. That is a grafting giant. It is a Cox orange pippin. The next to it, that's a Braeburn variety, and on that branch I have grafted one variety from my brother which has dark red skin, very nice and beautiful apples. They have much better disease resistance. On the other branch, it was Queen Cox grafted over here, but it didn't take off. And over here, that variety I brought from down south. It gives a quite good size red apples, very nice, very good taste. If I take you to its other branch, that branch original graft is over here. You can still spot the grafting giant, and that's a Khala variety, one of the best varieties I have. It is early ripening. Next to it, I had cleft grafted 2 varieties. The other one died, and that is Ashmead kernel. On the next branch, that is the grafting giant, and the variety is May Queen. The label is showing over there. Going on the other side, that's another branch. That's a grafting giant. I think it was the Z graft method which was used, and that's the grafting giant, and variety is Lexton Epicure. On the branch above, there are 2 different grafts. One is Baker's Delicious, and the other one, the variety's name, date of grafting has completely disappeared from that plastic label. That is its grafting giant. I had written down on that piece of plastic label, but although they say the marker is permanent, but after some time it fades away and you can't actually see what was written, and that's why I started cutting these drink cans and using them as a label. So I cut them with the scissors, and of that size. Any can you can use it, and then with the ball point you can write it, and that label will stay permanent. So that is another cheap way to get the labels which will stay forever. That's a kid's orange variety grafted onto here. It had grown, but later on it died. That branch, it is leaning over Lord Lambourne and other. That is the one variety I brought from Galton. Now those are the varieties grafted at the top. That one is a Baker's Delicious, and on the other branch, that one is L-Star variety, and few more varieties have been grafted on those sides. Those labels which are hanging, one of them is Pitmaster pineapple, and next to it there are two varieties. One is Sturmer Pippin and the other one is Miller's Seedling. So that's one of those magic trees. It has lot of varieties grafted onto it. When there are so many varieties grafted onto one tree, you don't need to worry about pollination, and to get a good crop, I have to thin them. The other benefit is it provides me fresh fruit starting from first week of August, and I can have apples right up to end of December, beginning of January. And if you can save a bit of space in your garage, then some of the varieties, they go right up to the end of March without any special arrangements of storage facilities. So that's another very good benefit of it. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, please subscribe to my channel, and you will have an easy access to me and to all my videos. Thank you.